Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, children, today we are going to learn lowercase c. Okay, in our previous class, we have learned uppercase c. Now, today we are going to learn lowercase c. So, first of all, tell me what is the day today? Today is Friday. Today is Friday. And what is the date today? Today is 25 June 2021. Okay, children? So, children, let's start the lowercase c. In previous class, we have learned, let us see in uppercase. So, how to write uppercase c? Like this. You have to use three lines. Okay, 1 2 3, 3 lines. Now for lowercase c, you have to use only 2 lines, these 2 lines. And how to write lowercase c? So you have to write in 2 lines. Okay, second and third line. You have to write in second and third line, blue line, like this. Okay, one more time, like this. Okay, children? So this is uppercase c and this is lowercase c. Now we will write letter C in uppercase and lowercase in our literacy book on page number 35. So first you have to write up lowercase c like this. You have to write in 2 lines, second and third line. Okay, like this. Now we will write uppercase c. So you have to use 3 lines. 1 2 3, 3 lines. Okay, like this. Okay, children, and then you have to color the lowercase c and uppercase c and trace the lowercase c and uppercase c. Okay, children, now move on page number 36. So children, on this page you have to write the letter C, lowercase c, lowercase, this is lowercase c, and complete the word. So you have to identify the picture, then write the letter C. So what is this? Which animal is this? Camel. C for camel. C for camel. So you have to write here C. Okay. Now next, what is this? This is a cap. Cap. C, K, cap. Cap. Okay. Now what is this? This is a carrot. 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 Okay. Now next one is candle. Candle. C, candle. Okay. And what is this? This is comb. This is a comb. So you have to write here lowercase c in 2 lines. Very good, children. Now next, on page number 37, what you have to do? Circle the words that have C in them. So children, you have to identify the picture with the letter of C. So look at here. So what is this? This is a lowercase a. Ant. This is apple. A. Okay, this is B. Ball. This is button. B. Button. Now this is, so this is a camel. Okay, camel. So here is letter C. Camel. Camel. C for camel. So what you have to do? You have to circle the word. Okay, and what is this? This is a cloud. Cloud. And C. C for cloud. C, cloud. So what you have to do? You have to circle the word. Now next is B. Bus. Okay, no, because we have to circle the word that have C in them. Okay, so here what is this? Cup. C, cup. So you have to circle this word. Okay. Okay children, so you have to do this page number 35, page number 36 and page number 37 in your literacy book. And then you have to write letter C in lowercase in your English notebook. Okay children? Let us see how to write. You have to write in 2 lines. This is lowercase c. Okay, in 2 lines. Second and third line. You have to write in second and third line. Okay, like this. Okay children, so this is your homework. You have to do this work and share with me. Okay, so bye bye and take care. Have a nice day.